2020 when COVID was basically at its peak, and my contract with L&T was supposed to get renewed and get promoted. I was about to get promoted into a permanent employee of L&T, but things just went the other way. वो हो नहीं पाया because there was this bulk layoff that started to happen, and because of that my contract couldn't get promoted. Back in 2023, my mother got critically ill. She got just detected with vertigo, severe vertigo, and she was in the hospital. And after that incident, I just lost all the hope. The way he said that to me कि आपको आगे पढ़ना चाहिए, आप कर सकते हो, you don't worry about the finance and things like that, you don't worry about us, आप जाओ पढ़ो. Because my counselor Shivani, she told me, she gave me this big reality check and she cleared all my doubts, and I received unconditional offer letters from 4 of them from the best universities of UK. एक happy सा moment हो गया था for my parents as well. My mother was very happy. She was like कि वाह वाह मेरी बेटी kind of हो गया. Hello everyone, my name is Aboli Narendra Kulkarni and I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'll be pursuing my MSc in Management from the Queen Mary University of London starting from September 2024. In 2015, I pursued my Bachelor's in Commerce BCom from the University of Mumbai, and subsequently in 2018, I attained my Master's degree, an MBA also called as an MMS nowadays, with a specialization in HR also from the University of Mumbai. I began with my career with one of the biggest conglomerates of India, that is L&T, in the field of training and development for 2 years from 2018 till 2020, which taught me a lot about this field of HR, especially about this field of learning and development. Okay, well, there's a background story for that. While I was working with L&T, it did give me a lot of exposure about this field of learning and development. But at the same time, it made me realize about my lack of skills, and those were very critical. Like, you know, the financial analytical skills or the strategic management, which is very much needed in this field of management. And that is when I thought कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, ये skill gaps को fill करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And of course, I got to know about Yocket and things like that. And of course, my counselor Shivani, she told me, she gave me this big reality check and she cleared all my doubts कि okay, this is that one particular course which is going to really give me that kind of experience and knowledge which I'm really looking out for. The first reason is because when you decide कि आपको कोई भी डिग्री जो है वो इंटरनेशनली बाहर जाके अचीव करनी है, you are absolutely blank. आपको नहीं पता होता है कि वो आपको जर्नी ही कैसी शुरू करनी होती है. And there comes, you know, the counselor and whole this study abroad वाला thing comes into picture. And the same thing just happened with me. I was absolutely unaware of how should I begin with this whole process of pursuing my management degree from abroad, and how should I just land up into things. And I think it was my sister-in-law, her name is Sindhuja, she told me about Yocket कि भाई मतलब just install the app and you will just figure out things कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. I just followed whatever she said, and I think I just landed up with the right people and who gave me the right advice at the right time. See, students को पता ही नहीं होता है कि ना शुरू कहाँ से करनी है, और कभी कभार होता क्या है, because आप चाह कर भी आपको right opportunities नहीं मिलती है, आप सही लोगों से नहीं मिल पाते हैं, आपको right advice देने वाले काउंसलर्स या शायद आपको वो राइट एडवाइस कभी मिल ही नहीं पाती है, और इसकी वजह से आई थिंक आपका करियर पे वो हॉल्ट जरूर आता है, आप अपना एम्बिशन पूरा नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो आई थिंक इट इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी कि अगर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ हाउ दे वांट टू अचीव देयर एम्बिशंस, इट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट दैट दे आस्क समबडी. Okay, so I applied to 6 universities. The first was Swansea, Queen Mary University of London, Imperial, and then University of Bristol, University of Leeds. So these were the universities, and I received 4 unconditional offer letters from all of them. The moment I enrolled, I think it was 14th of September, something like that, and I applied for Swansea University, and 15th को मुझे immediately उसके results भी आ गए थे, and I received unconditional offer letters from 4 of them from the best universities of UK. एक happy सा moment हो गया था for my parents as well. बिकॉज मैंने भी ये सोचा नहीं था कि इतने जल्दी मुझे इसके रिजल्ट्स सुनने मिलेंगे, बिकॉज इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस करने में एंड दिस एंड दैट. बट या इट वाज वेरी हैप्पी. माय मदर वाज वेरी हैप्पी. शी वाज लाइक कि वाह वाह मेरी बेटी काइंड ऑफ हो गया. वेल, माई काउंसलर वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी. हम लोग काफी ज्यादा खुश थे इस चीज को लेके. ऑफकोर्स उसके पीछे मेरी मेहनत भी थी, उनकी मेहनत भी थी, रादर सिर्फ हम दोनों की नहीं, बहुत सारे लोगों की मेहनत भी थी उसके पीछे. एंड आई थिंक सेलिब्रेशन तो मतलब मैं क्या ही बोलूं, आई डोंट हैव वर्ड्स फॉर दैट. आई वाज जस्ट हम्बल्ड. दैट इज ऑल आई कैन से. Okay, the first biggest challenge that came my way was जब मुझे पता चला from my boss that my contract is not getting promoted. And that was like the biggest drawback in my career because I never expected that. When it comes from when you start getting appreciations for your work from the vice president of L&T, that's a huge appreciation in your work, you know. And जब ऐसा ही कुछ नहीं हो जाता है all of a sudden and when you realize कि भाई मतलब एक तरीके से halt आ गया है, तो that kind of breaks all your hopes. वो भी at the time of COVID. When everything was just shutting down, businesses were going into complete losses, bulk layoffs हो रहे हैं, उस वक्त ऐसा होना was devastating. And you know, after that, I would say is that I wanted time to look at things with a very fresh perspective because going abroad and studying at international universities was one of my biggest ambitions, which I always wanted to do for a very long time. But वो हो नहीं पा रहा था because there were back to back, there were things just not happening the right way, जैसे होने चाहिए थे. And I feel I kind of lost hopes. I was losing hopes, I think. When I left L&T, मतलब जब हो गया था, even though I had a bit of a hope कि नहीं भाई हो सकता है, I can still pursue my dreams. There is nothing wrong in it. But I think back in 2023, my mother got critically ill. She got just detected with vertigo, severe vertigo, and she was in the hospital. And after that incident, I just lost all the hopes. I was like, ये तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा. वो जो भी है अभी मुझे यहीं बैठ के इंडिया में रह के ही जो भी है काम करना पड़ेगा, अपना करियर परस्यू करना पड़ेगा. Even though knowing of the fact कि organizational change and development ये एक काफी डायनामिक फील्ड है और इंडिया में उसकी इतनी स्कोप नहीं है जितनी की बाहर है. You know, not many people in the field of HR itself know about this field as they should have. और rather आपको इंडिया में रह के इस फील्ड में उसी वक्त काम करने को मिलता है जब आप एक मैनेजमेंट लेवल पे आ जाते हो. And I think I never wanted that, you know, but somewhere down the line, you know, I just lost all the hopes after that incident. Mother got critically ill. But I remember having this conversation. My mother got discharged and we were at home. It was just me and my sister having a conversation in the same living room. Ki bhai, and I just shared, you know, so and so classmate of mine is going abroad for education, and then the whole discussion started all over again. Ki nahi मतलब आप क्यों नहीं try करते हो? आपके पास वो सारे skills and capabilities है. Just try giving that entrance exam. देखते हैं क्या होता है. And I was like, no. Because I was not consciously ready for that. But I think after a few hours of conversation, I just got ready. I think एक अंदर से just आवाज आई कि this is the right time, you know, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं हो पाएगा. And I think that just happened. I just got ready for it. I don't know how, but that just happened. And I think I just was only that I just needed that yes from my father. And I think my mother was like, oh, don't worry about him, I'll just convince him, don't worry about him, just start doing your research and this and that. I think in the evening itself, my mother just spoke to my father. I remember sitting down with him and showing this whole kind of research that I did and telling him कि डैडी मुझे यहाँ पढ़ने जाना है, are you fine with it? And he was like, of course, आपको आगे पढ़ना चाहिए, क्यों नहीं, and this and that. And the kind of motivation that he gave me, I needed that. You know, every daughter needs that. And the way he said that to me कि आपको आगे पढ़ना चाहिए, आप कर सकते हो, you don't worry about the finance and things like that, you don't worry about us, आप जाओ पढ़ो. That was very satisfying. And then उसके बाद मैंने पीछे पलट के नहीं देखा. So the first advice would be just don't rush into things. आपके बहुत सारे ambitions हैं because the market is very huge and it's very dynamic now and it's very creative, I would say, because there are a lot of options. And to select that right option is also very important. And if you don't understand that, take advice, you know, get a good counseling, because there are many out there who can counsel you the right way. And I think that is very much necessary. So I would say just don't rush, take your time. And when it is the right time, of course, at the right place, things will just happen. So just hold on. Don't rush into things. That is all I can say to the people who would be enrolling for 2025 batch.